Hi, I'm Connie from Promotion by the River, and are you ready for day 2 of the Christmas Advent calendar gift boxes for 2025? Like I said, I've got the one from Soft Squares, it's a 25-day, and the one from Missouri Star Quilt Company, that's a 25-day. So let's take a look for number 2 in the Soft Squares. Something without anything. Open me already, whatever that means. Some candy. I'm not finding number 2. Oh, there it is. Here is number 2. Feels like some candy. I mean, some fabric. Okay. Day 2. Here is a lovely fat quarter bundle for you to play with. So that's cute. So you have 4 fat quarter bundles of fabrics. Got the yellow, the pink, green, and then a blue floral. So that was day 2. Might as well open this. Let's see what this cute box. Candy. Ooh, I like Hershey's. Hershey Nuggets. So that's what was in there. And then there's some little mints. Happy Mints. And then this says, open me already. Might as well get them all open today. If I can. Oh. And it's a cookie, custom sugar cookie with the S on it for Soft Squares. That's cute. Okay, that was day 2 for Soft Squares. Now this is day 2 for Missouri Star Quilt Company. Day 2. Let's see if I can get that sticker off without breaking it. Nope, I can't. I wrecked it. Okay, what is in here? Oh, that's cute. It's a little rotary cutter. This one is called Clara. They seem to name all of theirs. I've got quite a few. I've got lots of their rotary cutters. So this is a cute one. Isn't that cute? So that was day 2 from Missouri Star Quilt Company. Cute. Come back tomorrow, see what else we have.